Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we'll talk about conditions in program, but I will show you it in Scratch. So if you ask me what is the important block in the Scratch, I will answer you if then block. If I were you, I will print the poster of if then block and hang it on the wall. Okay, I'm just kidding, but it's very important. This block helps us something happen only in certain cases. For example, if I'm thirsty, I will drink water. And if I want to eat a fruit, I will eat an apple. Wait. What is exactly the condition? Do your parents ever tell you if you do your homework, you can play video games? This is condition. If you do your homework, you can play video games. But if you don't do your homework, you can't play video games. So that's how if-then block works. It is checking. If the condition is true, it will run the code. Otherwise, nothing will happen. So let's get started. If-then blocks are shaped like a letter C. We know that computers use the binary language of 1 and zeros. Computers understand 1 and 0 like true or false, yes or no, on or off. If-then blocks require conditions that have values of either true or false. There are two types of code blocks that will work as conditional sensing blocks and operator blocks. So now let's create a complete if-then block. Now I'm going to bring from control section if-then block and put it in the stage. Then I'm going to show that sensing and operator blocks can enter the diamond shaped in the if-then block. We can bring touch mouse pointer and put it in the diamond space pressed. And we can there choose where it's written mouse pointer, we can choose edge or other sprites that we have in our project. And now we will add a sprite from choose a sprite, and we are going to write mouse 1. And we added the sprite. Now we are going to go to sprite 1 and choose a mouse 1. You see? And also we can choose touching a mouse pointer or edge. Also, we can choose from sensing touching color. From that, where is a color? In touching color, we can choose a color by touching that purple color. You see, we can change the colors. But we will not need it in this video. Now we just need to bring when green flag is clicked. And we need from control section forever loop. We are going to put that if-then block in that forever loop. And we need to bring from sounds. We are going to bring play sound now until done. So now let's test it. You see, it's touching the mouse, so it's making a sound. You see that I put the mouse apart from the sprite, from the cat. Now when we push the stop button and green flag, you see that it's not making no sound because it's not touching the mouse. But if I bring the mouse near the cat, you see that it's making that mouse sound. So this is how the if-then block works. We can also use operators to the if-then block. Now we just need to go to sprite 1. We can take mouse 1 from there. We can bring operators equal, less than, or bigger than. Now I'm writing 50 equals 50. Play sound now. You see that it's equal to 50, so it's meowing. But if I write there 10, now when I put the green flag, you see that it's not 10, so it's not making the meow sound. So this is how the if then block works. So I think this video was helpful for you. So see you in the next video.